The binomial distribution. Suppose that we have a standard fair cubical die. We decide to roll it 4 times and we are interested in how many 6s we get. This is a random variable. It could take any value from 0 to 4, and we cannot tell what value it will take before we do the experiment. But we can say something about the probability of each possible outcome. And we can do that using a tree diagram, for example. So 6 and not 6, if it's a fair die, 1/6 and 5/6. And that's going to be the same on each branch. I didn't worry about putting them on the final branch. So to get all 6s, so 4 6s, that would be 1/6 to the power 4. We just go across this part of our diagram. To arrive here with 3 6s and a not 6 would be 1/6 cubed times 5/6. To get all not 6s would be 5/6 to the power 4. And for example here, where we'd get 3 not 6s, would be 1/6 times 5/6 to the power 3. I'm not going to complete all of them. You can see what's going to happen. If we collect up the various probabilities, we find the probability of x being 0, in other words getting no 6s, is 5/6 to the 4. We can see that on the diagram here by going down these branches. The probability x is 1 is 4 times 1/6 times 5/6 cubed. Now we can see one of those ways is to go down here but then go along this branch and get a 6. Over the whole diagram, 4 of these possible outcomes is where we get 1/6 and 3 non-6s. There are 6 of these outcomes down here where we get 2 6s and 2 non-6s. And finally, to get 4 6s, that's straight across the top of the diagram, so it's 1/6 to the power 4. Note that 1/6 add 5/6 to the 4 is 1/6 to the 4 plus 4 times 1/6 cubed times 5/6 plus 6 times 1/6 squared times 5/6 plus 4 times 1/6 times 5/6 cubed plus 5/6 to the power 4. And this looks very much like the probabilities we just had. This is for getting all 4 6s, and this is for getting 2 6s and 2 non-6s, and so on. We expanded this using, of course, the binomial theorem. It is this relationship that gives the name binomial distribution. If we denoted x as the random variable, the number of 6s obtained, we write x follows a binomial distribution with 4 trials and a probability of success of 1/6. And the probability of x being x is 4cx times 1/6 to the power x times 5/6 to the power 4 minus x. In general, x follows a binomial with n trials and probability of success p. The probability of x being x is ncx times p to the x times 1 minus p to the n minus x.